The first step is to find my centre 0, 1. Well, 0, 1 means I go 0 in the x direction and up 1. I'll put a cross. That's my centre of enlargement. I'm going to label each of my vertices in my triangle as being A, B, and C. I now describe each of my vertices, A, B, and C, from my centre of enlargement. So describing A from my centre of enlargement, i.e. from 0, 1, it's 1 along and 1 up. So therefore I'm going to write that as a vector. So A is 1 along and 1 up. And do exactly the same for B. So from my centre of 0, 1, it's 1, 2, 3 along and 1 up. Again for C, from my centre of enlargement, it's 1, 2 along and 1, 2, 3 up. So C from my centre of enlargement is 2 along and 3 up. I now multiply by the scale factor, which in this case is -2, to find the new location of each of my vertices. So my new A dash, 1 times -2 will be -2, and 1 times -2 will be -2. So my new A dash from my centre of enlargement will be -2, -2. So -2 means 2 to the left and 2 down. My new vertice for B, again, times with my scale factor of -2. Well, 3 times -2 gives you -6, and 1 times -2 gives you -2. So from my centre of enlargement, I'm going to go -6, -2. Well, -6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places in the negative x direction, and -2 means 2 down. My new coordinate for C, well, 2 times -2 gives you -4, and 3 times -2 gives you -6. So again, from my centre of enlargement, this time I'll go -4, -6. Well, -4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 places in the negative x direction, and then -6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. My final step is to get a ruler and to join up each of my vertices.